Hello skaters! Today we are going to build a new step sequence for beginners using 6 types of steps: Chasse, Choctaw, Mohawk, toe step, power pull, and cross roll. We will start by practicing each element separately, then put them all together to create a beautiful step sequence with flow, clean edges, and strong extension. If you are still learning these types of steps, visit my website styleskating.com and join my video course membership, Figure Skating Foundations. This course includes 100 videos covering everything from your first steps on the ice to all the basic skating skills, spins, and jumps, with in-depth tutorials and step-by-step instructions. It's a great way to build a strong foundation, avoid common mistakes, and accelerate your progress as you prepare for more advanced elements in skating. Click on the link above or look in the description below for more information. Let's start with a chasse into Choctaws sequence. Begin on the left forward outside edge, pushing off with your right foot and extending your right leg behind. Switch your feet, pick up your left foot, bend your left knee, and glide on the right forward inside edge. Then step into a left forward outside edge again with full extension of your right leg. Next, swing your free leg through, closer to your skating leg, twist your upper body in the opposite direction of your hips, and execute a left forward outside to right backward inside Choctaw. Immediately continue with a backward chasse, starting on the left backward outside edge. This time extending your free leg in front. Switch your feet again, gliding on the right backward inside edge, and pick up your left foot. Step back onto your left foot, sliding your right foot forward with extension. Then swing that free leg back as you glide on the backward outside edge, preparing for the left backward outside to right forward inside Choctaw, executed on the axis. Then repeat the sequence: left forward outside chasse, Choctaw, backward chasse, and again Choctaw. Continue across the ice. Focus on deepening your edges, extending your arms and free leg, and maintain straight upper body for better balance and control. Now we are going to switch legs and repeat the entire sequence, this time starting on the right forward outside edge with a chasse, followed by a right forward outside to left backward inside Choctaw. Continue with a right backward outside chasse, leading into a right backward outside to left forward inside Choctaw. Keep moving across the ice, making sure to complete each half circle with your chasses and execute each Choctaw right on the axis. If you're enjoying this video and learning something new, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Also check the link above or look in the description below for my YouTube membership options, where you can email me directly with all your skating questions and even request a personalized video of your choice. The next part of our step sequence is the 3-step outside Mohawk, which we will do on half circles alternating feet. Start on the right forward outside edge, step into a left backward outside edge, and immediately cross in front with a right backward inside edge. Then on the axis, switch to the opposite side, begin your Mohawk on the left forward outside edge, then step into a right backward outside edge and cross in front with a left backward inside edge. Focus on keeping your arms extended to the sides and your upper body as still as possible, while your hips rotate naturally to follow the backward direction. The next element is toe steps. We will start by gliding on the right backward inside edge with your upper body twisted to the outside of the circle. As you reach the axis, step onto your left toe pick and begin rotating to the left, starting with your upper body followed by your hips. Then step on your right toe and cross in front with your left foot, gliding on the left backward inside edge around a half circle. When you return to the axis, begin rotating your upper body to the right, step on your right toe, continue with your left toe, and cross in front into a right backward inside edge. Continue this pattern doing toe steps in both directions and alternating feet. This exercise is excellent on its own for developing coordination, quickness, twist position, and stronger ankles and feet. Our last part of the step sequence will be power pulls with cross rolls. Start on the left foot with 2 forward power pulls. First pull from the left forward outside to left forward inside, then from left inside to left outside. After that, do a cross roll with your right foot stepping into a right forward outside edge. Continue from the right leg. Power pull from right forward outside to right forward inside, then from right inside to right outside, and finish with another cross roll, this time stepping onto your left forward outside edge. Repeat this pattern, 2 power pulls, 1 cross roll, alternating feet. After that, we are going to repeat the entire pattern backward, starting on the left foot. Begin with 2 backward power pulls, first from left backward outside to left backward inside, then from left backward inside to left backward outside. Next, do a backward cross roll onto the right backward outside edge and repeat. Power pull from right backward outside to right backward inside, then from right backward inside to right backward outside. Step again onto the left backward outside edge through a cross roll and continue the pattern. Now let's put all our steps together into one full step sequence. Start on the left forward outside chassé on a half circle. After the chassé, swing your right side through and step on the axis into a left forward outside to right backward inside Choctaw. Continue onto the next circle with a left backward outside chassé, swing your free leg through again and step into a left backward outside to right forward inside Choctaw. Immediately follow with a left forward outside to right backward outside Mohawk, then cross in front with your left backward inside edge. Repeat the Mohawk starting from the right forward outside to left backward outside edge, crossing in front with the right foot, gliding on the right backward inside edge. From there, go straight into toe steps to the left. Start with the left toe, then right toe, and cross in front with the left backward inside edge. Immediately repeat the toe steps to the right. Right toe, left toe, and cross in front with the right backward inside edge. Next, step into a left forward outside power pull, change to an inside edge, then back to an outside edge, followed by a forward cross roll onto the right forward outside edge. Repeat the power pulls on the right side, outside to inside, and then inside to outside, and finish with another cross roll. Now transition into backward power pulls with a waltz jump from your left foot to the right foot. Start power pulls on the right back outside to inside, then from inside to outside, and cross roll onto the left backward outside edge. Do another set of 2 backward power pulls and finish with a final cross roll, exiting into a landing position, gliding on your right backward outside edge. Now repeat the entire sequence on the opposite side, starting from a right forward outside chassé, followed by a right forward outside to left backward inside Choctaw. Continue with a right backward outside chassé, then a right backward outside to left forward inside Choctaw. Move into the 3-step Mohawk beginning from the right foot, then repeating the same pattern from the left foot. Next, do the toe steps, 2 steps to the right, followed by 2 steps to the left, then begin forward power pulls on the right foot. After 2 power pulls, do a cross roll into the left foot, another 2 power pulls, step into cross roll onto the right forward outside edge, do waltz jump from the right to the left foot at this time, turning to the right, and then start immediately left backward power pulls, followed by backward cross roll into the right foot, and then finish with 2 power pulls on the right foot, and a landing position. That is the full step sequence. Remember to practice it slowly at first, focusing on clean edges, smooth transitions, and proper body alignment. Work on both sides equally to develop balanced strength and coordination. With consistent practice, you will improve your flow, edge control, and overall skating skills. Thanks for skating with me today, and I see you next time.